So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, as we can see, very much looking like we are starting to break this downtrend resistance and get some nice moves to the upside. Some nice things we're seeing on the chart here. Obviously we've got our bear market range low that's recently been pretty much retested, although we haven't tested the extreme range low of the bear market yet down here. Obviously we've been in this range between the 0.23 and the 0.618 Fibonacci for Polygon for a number of years now, really, during the bear market, and then recently we've come down here and made an even lower low on the price action, really trying to scare people out of the markets, as you can see. But the risk to reward on these cryptos is getting pretty fine and dandy in my opinion. The chance of getting a 10, 15, 20x from this position on these kinds of cryptos much more likely than it was when we were up here at what we're looking at, $1, $2. Currently it's just over a 10x, or just under a 10x, from 37 cents to $3, which is the all-time high. Just under a 10x from the current price, just to get back to all-time highs, which I think is really, really interesting to keep in mind. Obviously you can see in this local area, in terms of the price action, we've basically been stuck under this resistance for some time. We finally got that nice breakout to the upside up here to the 100 moving average, where we did get that Burj Khalifa price action. Lovely, lovely big move to the upside. Got stuck under resistance, retraced the whole move, come down here, tried to fill the wick of this previous level. Obviously you can see the massive bullish divergences coming in at this level, coming in and making a nice amount of structural support, as you can see. Not that much desire for people to be selling at these levels, in my opinion. You can see here another green candle here and another retrace of that move as well, pretty much putting in my opinion, this big W double bottom pattern. I do think the next target that we will come up and hit of any significance will be back up here again at that 55 cent level, towards that 0.23 Fibonacci. You can see quite clearly here we are making some significant structure at these lows, and it does seem quite likely, in my opinion, the next place that we revisit is this big W double bottom pattern playing out up towards this level here. Overall looking really too overextended to the downside, and those bullish divergences are playing out across the market for loads of cryptos. I think Polygon's going to follow suit next. Like and subscribe for more.